Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave your comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. And I'm back with another amazing video. Today we are going to prepare a marble cake. Hope you'll enjoy my video, so stick with me till the end. So we have our ingredients here. I used wheat flour to 50 grams, sugar 200 grams, milk a half a cup, butter 125 grams, vanilla extract 1 tablespoon, 4 eggs, cocoa powder 1 tablespoon, and baking powder 1 tablespoon. So first of all, start by adding your butter and sugar, then whisk it till it becomes white in color. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. After your mixture looks white and it's soft and fluffy and your sugar is already dissolved, we are going to add our eggs one at a time till you finish your 4 eggs. After you're done adding your eggs, it's now time to add the milk. After that, you're going to take your wheat flour, then add your baking powder, then mix it properly. So add your wheat flour into your mixture and make sure you swift it. After you're done adding your wheat flour, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then we're going to divide our cake batter into two. Then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and make sure you mix it properly. After that, you're going to add our cake batter into your baking tin. So I already greased my baking tin. I used butter and wheat flour. So I started adding the white cake batter, then followed the chocolate cake batter. But you can decide the way you want to decorate it. After you're done adding your cake batter into your baking tin, it's time to bake the cake. So my oven was preheated for 15 minutes, 180 degrees. I baked my cake for 55 minutes, 180 degrees. So after the 55 minutes, I checked whether my cake was well baked inside. So I let my cake cool for about 1 hour so that I can slice my cake. After the 1 hour, it's time to cut our cake to see the inside part. My cake came out soft and fluffy, and it was also delicious. So if you really enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Leave your comment. So till next time, bye.